Hi, I'm Greg Lawrence.
And I'm Catherine Auman.
Emails have been coming in about our course, Tantra, the Science of Creating Your Soulmate, so we're going to take this time to answer a few of those. What do we have, Catherine?
Well, we have one here from Ned from Toledo, Ohio. And Ned wants to know, what do you mean by creating a soulmate?
That is an excellent question, Ned. Mainstream culture gives us the impression that we are supposed to go out and find someone for a partner who is just right for us. And if there's any friction or any problem or something isn't working, we should probably just move on and find someone who fits, who's a better fit for us.
But Osho, on the other hand, says that you can create your soulmate. And in fact, that's where we took the title of this course. There's a science to creating your soulmate. So that is a little bit unconventional, quite a bit unconventional, but that's what this course is about.
And the reason it's a science is because we give you things to do, like step-by-step instructions on how to do work yourself, how to work with each other in a relationship, and how to work together in a relationship to maintain that true soulmate relationship.
That's great. And so another question we have here is from Carol in San Diego. Do you have to have a partner?
Oh, this sounds like a good question for you to answer.
Yes, because I have a book called Tantric Dating, which is how to use tantric principles to find a partner. But in the meantime, you don't have to have a partner to study Tantra. Most people who come to Tantra are looking for a partner, want a partner, feel not that great that they don't have a partner yet. But learning these techniques and skills of Tantra are good for you on your own personal development, as well as the ability to attract a partner if that's what you're looking for.
Yeah, and within our course, we made sure to include, we have some downloads, some worksheets and different exercises and techniques for things for people to do. And we made sure to include versions for people to do solo as well as with a partner. So this class is for everyone.
And people think, since Tantra is positive about sex, that you have to have a partner, but it is very sex positive, but a lot of these techniques are good for you to work with on your own.
Yeah, a lot of Tantra is before sex ever happens.
Exactly. What about this question? This one looks like it's for you.
Let's see. I'm not answering that. Just next question.
Well, we might have already answered this a little bit. Can Tantra help me find a partner? We're a living example because we found each other through Tantra.
Yes, we did. And, I think we often say that we were both hoping that our next relationship wouldn't be as bad as the last one. But we got much more than that because we put in a lot of time and energy working on ourselves. And we've, a lot of this course is based on the things that we have done within our relationship to help maintain that relationship. And as Catherine often says, you will attract the frequency that you are. And that's what this is about, helping you to get to a frequency to attract that person who's at your frequency.
So if you are single and looking for a partner, taking this course and doing tantric principles will help you develop yourself so that you can attract a partner who is the right frequency for you.
Absolutely.
Let's just do one more question here. This is from Paul in Texas. I didn't know they had Tantra in Texas.
Well, they will now.
My relationship has gone downhill. We don't have sex anymore. Can you guys help?
Wow. That's something that we talk about in just about every workshop that we do, Paul. Mainstream culture tells us that over time your desire for someone and the intensity of your relationship goes down, and that's just not true. That's a myth that's perpetuated by mainstream culture. It can be true if you don't understand why that's happening. There are reasons that happens over time, but we're told that that's just because time's going by and you've been with each other and the honeymoon's period's over, and all these cliches that they put on us, making us think that love only lasts for a brief time or desire has this very short window before you're just kind of tolerating each other. That's not true at all.
So we can help you with this course or working with us individually to find that spark again, to learn how to fan the flames. It's there.
There's a reason this desire goes downhill, but it's not what people think.
Exactly.
So we hope that these answers have been helpful. We look forward to answering more in the future, and we hope to see you at our course, Tantra, the Science of Creating Your Soulmate.